Making money online is something that takes days, weeks, months, years, and decades to scale to a fully sustainable, wealthy business. In today's video, I'm going to show you a bit of a shortcut to this, where these companies over here are giving you thousands and hundreds of thousands of capital with access to. There's not only one company that's doing this. Some companies are giving you millions and up to $2 million in capital. And the best part is you're not limited to one company. You can partner with multiple companies to have multiple $100,000 accounts. I want to show you a basic mathematical statistic over here. Let's say you start off with a $10,000 account and you're making 1% per month. That's $100 return a month. And you then decide to take that $100 and scale to the $50,000 account. Now you're making 1% on $50,000 a month. That's now $500 a month. 1% on a $100,000 account is $1,000 a month. 1% on a $200,000 account is $2,000 a month. 1% on a $1 million account is $10,000 a month, and 1% on $5 million is $50,000 a month. And the beautiful part is there's no limit to what you can scale to. You can scale to $20 million in funding in an account, and if you set yourself the goal of making 1% a month on that account, that's $200,000 a month. And that is how the top dogs are generating generational wealth with this sort of capital. And I'm going to show you how you can access capital like this at a fraction of a price. So let me come back to this website that I just showed in the beginning over here. This particular website will give you anywhere from a $10,000 to a $200,000 account. What exactly is this? Comment down below if you think you know what this is. Well, this is what we call prop firms. These are companies that are willing to give you large accounts to go and trade with real capital. All you need to go and do is figure out how to make 1% a month, which is not hard. I've been doing this for 7 years. I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. And this is my full-time business that I do off of YouTube, and that is also documented on my second YouTube channel. And do not worry, I've not forgotten. Day 4 of doing a giveaway in every single video. In today's video, I'm going to give you a completely free private mentorship from me to teach you how to go and become a profitable funded trader and make that 1% a month on these large trading accounts. So make sure to keep watching until the end. As you'll see over here, $0, completely for free, lifetime access. I'm not making any money off this video or what's on the screen over here. Everything in today's video I'm going to teach you and leak for free. So make sure to keep watching and I'll explain to you exactly how you can go and grab this free course at the end of this video. And I can tell you 90% of you are probably not even going to take action with this. And that is why I recommend if you want to take action with this and want to make a difference, make sure to keep watching this video until the end, and I'm going to break this down in a simple step-by-step formula and process for you guys to go and understand. I want you to put away your phones, put away any distractions, and focus on today's video, unless of course you're watching today's video on your phone. But without further ado, let's not waste any time and dive straight in today's video. There's a good quote out there saying, if only success could be bought. Well, in today's video, I'm literally going to teach you how you can go and buy a shortcut to success, as one of the biggest foundations to financial success is having capital to work with to grow and invest. The problem is with that, 99% of the population doesn't have access to thousands and hundreds of thousands and millions of dollars to make money. As another good saying goes, to make that first million is the hardest and takes months and years, but to make that next million is easy and will take you the next weekend. And that's so true because it's very easy to make money when you've already got a lot of money. And that is why these firms are out there to help people like you and me that don't have access to millions and millions of dollars. And that is where these prop firms come into play, funding for serious traders. Now, if you have no idea how to trade, if you've never heard of trading before, if you've never heard of what a market is, don't worry, I'm going to guide you step by step. And this is a new skill, something very different that I'm talking about in today's video. I know I usually talk about affiliate marketing and dropshipping and e-com, but in today's video, I thought I'd spice things up a bit and keep it a bit different and introduce something to you guys completely new called prop firm trading. Now, if you come over to this example website of a prop firm called Blue Guardian, there's many out there. There's FTMO, Funded Trader, and one of my favorites is blueguardian.com. You can scroll down on the homepage of their website and you will see their different evaluations. And let me quickly break this down for you. So let's say in the scenario of choosing a $100,000 account, you've got 3 different options. You've got an unlimited plan, an elite plan, and a rapid plan. And I'll break it down for you simply. On the unlimited plan, you have a step 1 and step 2 evaluation or test that you need to pass before you get your $100,000 account. Now, what this means is this company wants you to prove to them that you're a profitable trader first before they go and give you $100,000, because obviously they're not going to give $100,000 to everybody, because not every company has unlimited capital. They are also, too, a business that makes smart decisions and that wants to invest in the right people that know will make money on their accounts. Because essentially how these prop firms make money is they take a small cut of the profits on your trade. So you usually keep 80% of the profits. You need to go and make a profit target of 8% on this $100,000 demo account. So what they will do is they will give you a demo account, which is a virtual account that doesn't hold real money. It's fake or test money. And you need to go and make 8% on that account. Once you make 8%, you will move on to step 2, where you need to go and make 4%. And then once you make that 4% on the second 100K account, they will then go and give you a 100K account with live money and real money to trade with. And all of the profits that you keep or that you make on that account, you keep 80% of that. So if you make $10,000 on the 100K account, you get paid out $8,000 because that company takes their cut, because essentially they also need to be and remain profitable. Now, they do have a rapid plan, which is pretty cool, where it's only a 1 phase and all you need to do is make 10% on the 1 phase, and then you also automatically get funded from there. I'm also going to show you a shortcut to this where you don't have to go and do the evaluations, where you can immediately go and get funded off the bat. This company over here called instantfunding.io will also give you access up to $80,000 in capital. But this is an immediate live account that you don't have to do any evaluation. So as soon as you purchase this account, you're going to go and get that live account ready to go and trade with, which is going to lead to the next part of this video a little bit later on. So it's super important that you continue to watch this because the mentorship and the free giveaway that I'm doing in today's video correlates so perfectly with what I'm speaking about here. And you'll see over here a smaller $1,250 account will cost you $79. So these accounts are definitely a lot more expensive, but purely because you're skipping that entire evaluation phase. You'll see over here on Blue Guardian, your 100K account will cost you $497. However, once you pass that 100K account and get funded, you will get your refund fee back, and they will send you that $497 back, essentially making that 100K account for free, which is the really cool part and a really cool rule that these prop firms have. So how exactly do we go and make money with this? Once you sign up to one of these valuations, you will receive login details with an account number and a password ready to go and log in on the trading platform, where you can now go and execute your trades, which is going to lead to the mentorship part of this video. We're not going to dive into any analytics or live trading today. That is all in the mentorship, which is a follow-on of the video that you're watching right now. So that's why I say it's super important that you keep watching so that you can learn how to get access to that. Once you've logged into the free course that I'm giving away in today's video, it will look like this. You will land on the homepage, which will give you your own private dashboard, your own private membership area where you can manage your account, update your profile icon. You'll see all of my social medias are over here if you want to reach out to me for any advice. And over here is the immediate welcome video that will give you an introduction to my story, how I trade, and what you're going to be receiving in this free course. If you click on this drop down over here, you will see all of the modules. So we'll immediately start off with buy side and sell side liquidity, which is areas in the market that the market likes to sweep to gain fuel to formulate that next move. A very important concept to start understanding and seeing where price is going to go. Discounts and premium pricing, where heavy institutions in the markets want to buy price in discounted areas, and where heavy institutions that are pumping millions and billions of dollars through the market are selling price at the most expensive areas possible. Now, what I go and teach you in this video is how to go and identify those areas, those higher probability areas to be selling and those higher probability areas to be buying. Then also I teach you about high probability fair value gaps, which are areas in the market that have been left with an imbalance where price likes to go and refill that area and price to continue in the expectation of order flow and its direction. The Asian liquidity model is a fantastic model that I incorporate in my trade plan, where I use the time frame of Asian session, which starts from 12 a.m. GMT2 and ends at 7 a.m. GMT2. The highest point and the lowest point of that specific Asian session becomes fantastic liquidity for price to sweep after 7 o'clock and then to continue in the opposite direction. But that obviously needs to be incorporated with the other concepts taught in the course. If all of this sounds foreign, brand new to you, high tech, and that maybe it's too technical for you, don't worry, this course keeps it really simple for you. And remember, the learning curve is something that takes time. It's a process. You will start off by asking yourself, let's go beginner's luck into what is this? I think I've got this. Oh no, I don't. And then eventually you lead through that consistent effort of studying the course, practicing, backtesting to eventual mastery in this game. These 5 points over here are crucial to reaching success. Risk, hard work, discipline, patience, and consistency. And that is why it's so important to understand this is not something that's going to happen overnight. But I am here to guide you to the water, but I can't force you to drink. It's up to you. If you want to put effort through this, study this course, go through it. And this is also a more surface level free course of what Funded, my trading community, actually offers. I've also got my private mentorship area, which teaches all of these concepts far more in depth through live streams, webinars, and is kind of like an upgrade to this. Continuing with the free course, I will also then teach you through institutional supply and demand zones, the areas in the market where heavy institutions are buying and selling hard so that you can trade along their footprints. Then also a fantastic video into mastering institutional order flow. So this video I took about 4 days to create, giving you the complete breakdown of the back end of how price actually moves through orders, buying and selling, lot sizes, and actually seeing that visually run on the back end of price. And it also kind of like reveals the hidden algorithm of price, if you want to call it like that. Then I will teach you the S&D strategy that made me $33,000 on my $2 million prop firm account, which was about 1.6% on that account. So there's more insight into my live trades that I've taken, putting all of these concepts together. Then I've also created you a fantastic mechanical zero to funded trader in 12 months. Really important video to watch. Then also how I trade London session with another full course for you guys. So this video is also really fantastic, putting all of these concepts into live action on price and also showing you 1 or 2 trades that I've taken, and then also taking an odd USD setup that actually live played out on the video. And then also a bit more of a psychological mental approach to trading, what it is like, and a guide to becoming a full-time trader and the mental and physical process that you need to go through. But what I'm getting down to, guys, is once you can put yourself in the position, and it's a really fantastic goal that I think you should set for yourself. If you get one of those $100,000 accounts and you're making 1% a month, 1% is not difficult with this sort of thing. That is a fantastic goal because that is life-changing money for some of us. And the fantastic thing is, 1%, which is $1,000 on a 100K account, you can then scale to $1 million or a $200,000 account. And you can trade both of these accounts at the same time. And this is all what I teach in the course and also in my private mentorship. So now you've got $300,000 instead of $100,000. Now you're still making that 1%, but instead of making $1,000, you're now making $3,000 a month. That $3,000 can allow you to scale to $1 million or a $5 million account. Now you've gone from still making that same 1%, nothing has changed, but instead of making $3,000, you can now make $10,000 or $50,000 on a total of a $5 million funding portfolio. And that is how lucrative this model is. And there is a huge abundance of the amount of capital that is out there available for you to trade with. All you need to go and do is know where to find it. And that is why I'm revealing this for you in today's video. BlueGuardian.com, fantastic website where you can go and get started with funding. I'm not going to be an affiliate or whatever. You can head over straight to the website. This is just one of my preferred trusted prop firms that I trade with. If you guys want to go and get access to this free course, all you need to go and do is leave a like on this video. Make sure you subscribe with the red notification bell on. As I said to you in about 3 videos ago that I posted on my channel, we're going to be doing a giveaway every single video for the rest of this week on my channel. So tons of value, tons of effort are going into my videos. I spent the whole morning designing and ordering this entire membership area for you guys completely for free. So hopefully my effort that I'm putting into this will pay off for you guys as well. If you want to go and get access to this, as I mentioned, leave a like, make sure you subscribe with the bell on, and I will leave a link on the pinned comment in the description, and I will also comment down below if you still don't. And also you can comment down below ready, and I'll respond to your comment with the link to this membership area and to this page over here. Once you click on this button, it's going to pop up with a form that looks like this. As you see, $0. There's nothing to check out with. Click on continue, enter your details. And once that's done, once that's complete, you will then receive an email with your login details to this membership area. If you guys specifically want to go and learn more about prop firm trading specifically and move into this space and way of making money online, I will leave a link down below to my second YouTube channel called Funded, which stands for Mechanical Methodology Funded, which is a disciplined, rule-based way of trading, and that's how I devised the name of my community, where I'm posting once a week and I focus on really high-quality, in-depth courses on this channel. So make sure to go and follow this as well. But without further ado, guys, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.